And we're gonna swipe up and boom, it is now fully unlocked. What's going on guys, Christian here, and today I have a very special video for you guys. Well, it's kind of a solution to a problem that many of you might have. I had it last week. So as you can see here guys, my phone is disabled and I'm going to show you how to unlock your phone so that you're able to use it back again. Now this video is for educational purposes and I'm assuming you are the owner of the iPhone, so your iPhone is not stolen. So if you are the owner of the iPhone, you should be able to get back access to your phone. Now I have to mention a few things before we start. Now, if your phone has an iCloud lock, that's if it's locked to an iCloud account, you will not be able to access it unless you get the password and the email for that iCloud account. Now, my phone is currently locked with a passcode. As you can see here, it says phone disabled and I'm not able to use it. So we're gonna do a factory reset. We're gonna erase all the data of this iPhone and then we're gonna be able to access it. This is, by the way, the iPhone that we dropped. So as you can see here in the back, is fully cracked. But this problem happened to me last week and I thought you guys might want to know how to unlock your phone. So it is quite simple and let's begin. Now this will work for Mac and for PC users. All you need to do is to download the latest version of iTunes. So simply you have to go to apple.com and download the latest version of iTunes. That's very important. By the way, make sure you have a SIM card inside your iPhone. It should be a SIM card from the carrier that your phone is currently locked to. So if your phone is from AT&T, use a SIM card from AT&T. Or if your phone is from Verizon, make sure you use a SIM card that is from Verizon. The next thing you're gonna need is your USB cable and your phone, of course. So we're gonna run iTunes on the computer. We're gonna plug in the phone and I'm gonna show you how to do it step by step. I'm gonna switch cameras here. All right, so we're gonna launch iTunes and then we're gonna connect the phone to the computer. Okay, so as you can see here, my iPhone is plugged in, iTunes is running in the back, and now we have to access recovery mode on this phone. So there are different ways to access recovery mode on each phone. So the method I'm gonna show you works for the iPhone 8 and for the iPhone 10. If you have an older version, like the iPhone 7 or down, you have to press different buttons. It is super simple, don't worry. So just look in the description of this video. I'm gonna include a step-by-step guide to access recovery mode. It is super simple. It's gonna take you probably like 10 seconds. Okay, so to enter recovery mode on an iPhone 10, you have to press the volume up key, then the volume down key, and then you're gonna press and hold the power button. Now you're gonna keep pressing it until your phone is gonna go completely, it's gonna shut down, and still you're not gonna let it go. So keep pressing it until you see the logo of Connect to iTunes. So as you can see here, my phone is gonna show the Connect to iTunes logo, and that means that we have successfully entered recovery mode. Now we can let go of the button. All right, so if you did it correctly, you're gonna get a message on iTunes saying that your phone has been detected as recovery mode, and now you simply need to restore it or to update it to be able to use it. So we're gonna hit restore and restore and update. Now iTunes is gonna download the latest firmware. It's gonna take a few minutes. For me, it took like 15 minutes. Everything on this phone is gonna be deleted, so keep that in mind. All the pictures, data, information, contacts, everything is gonna be gone. Okay, so it's gonna take a while, probably 10 minutes, I'm not sure. I'm just gonna leave it here and let's just wait for the iPhone to be fully restored. Just in time. So here the restore is completed. I'm gonna hit OK. So as you can see here, my phone is currently set as new phone. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the initial setup. It's gonna be really, really quick. And we're gonna swipe up and boom, it is now fully unlocked. And that's how you unlock a disabled iPhone, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If this video helped you unlock your phone, make sure you subscribe, make sure you click like. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I'll try to answer all your questions. Thanks for watching, guys. My name is Christian and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.